Hi there, my name is Shawn, and you're watching the Ask How To show. If you're watching this is lesson number 2 in my Java tutorials for noobs. Today we're going to be covering instant variables, methods, and comments. So let's get started. So over here in your package explorer, oh yeah, just to refresh, we're using Eclipse for all of my lessons. So if you don't have Eclipse, follow my my first 2 previous videos downloading Eclipse and the Java JDK to catch you up to speed here. So in the package explorer, right click, new Java project, and let's name this one DVD. Yeah. And you'll see why in a minute. So click your little arrow, right click on source, new class, and name this DVD as well. Alright, so first a few things. I like to go over a little bit of terminology and history, things like that. So a quick lesson. So Java is referred to as OOP, which is object-oriented programming. It represents concepts as objects that have like data fields and associated procedures known as methods. So basically an instant variable are things that an object knows about itself, and a method is things that an object can do. So to give you an example, I'll type out an example here real quick. So we go down here. So for instance, like a DVD player, instant variables will be things like the color of the DVD player, the weight, say like the display size, button sizes, and like your methods. Your methods are going to be load disk, play disk, pause, stop, eject disk. Like physical attributes that the DVD player is actually going to do. So hopefully that's pretty straightforward. Let's delete that. So in our DVD class, let's type int weight string make string model and let's put void play with parentheses, a curly brace, hit enter, and system.out.print DVD is now playing. And remember, you have to end all your statements with a semicolon. Okay, so right click on source again, new class, and let's build a tester class to test our original class, the DVD class. So DVD tester, straightforward, finish. Alright, so this will be our main. So every time we have a main, we want public static void main string square brackets args, just like a pirate, args. DVD. I kind of lost my train of thought there. Okay. So next, DVD D equals new DVD, parentheses, not 90, and that in a semicolon. Now let's put a what's called a line comment here, which is just 2 backslashes. Make a new DVD object and hit enter. DVD dot weight equals 5, and another line comment, use the dot operator. To set the weight of the DVD player. DVD dot play. And one more comment line, dot operator to call the play method. And we've got some errors here. That's because up at the top here we've named it D. So basically all we need is D.wait, D.play. Now, if we run up here and hit run, okay. Down at the bottom here we're going to get DVD is now playing if you've done everything correctly and you don't have any errors in this. So what that's done is your main method is using a dot operator to call play, which is actually right here in our DVD class. So the tester is calling that method from a different class, and it's telling it print this on the console, DVD is now playing. So that's the basics of methods and instant variables. Oh, one other thing before we go that I wanted to point out is one other type of comment that you can create here, which is a backslash in an asterisk, and then in Eclipse that's all you got to do is put 1 backslash, 1 asterisk, and hit enter, and Eclipse will actually finish up the rest for you here. See? Now what this is going to do is allow you to leave several lines of comments instead of just 1 line. Now this can be handy for many reasons. In programming, I'm just going click happy down here. In programming, you're going to want to leave a lot of comments and explanations of what you're using these methods for in your instant variables, things like that, just so the code makes sense, not just for yourself, but for other people that are looking over your code. Anyway, that's where I'm going to end lesson 2. Please stay tuned for lesson 3. Thanks for watching.